General Gowon said, no victor, no vanquished. But I don't know whether the meaning of that English, whether it still applies. Because the Southeast, principally in this country, whether anybody likes it or not, we are, neglected. We are not taken in as, people of one country because we fought a civil war. But statements like this from the Plateau governor also tells you that there are people who have varying views. We didn't start the war. I don't know how old you were by the time the crisis started in the north. That singular coup happened because the three regions were moving slightly apart. And the time I met with late Major General Hassan Usman Katsina, when he was Deputy Chief of Staff to General Way, he told me that they all supported the coup. That they all supported it too. The only thing that what happened was after the coup, some elements in Kaduna, after Ahmadu Bello was killed, somebody else was killed in the west, and Emma Yakbara was not killed in the east. And I said, Emma Yakbara couldn't have been killed in the east because a head of state was visiting the east and was with Emma Yakbara, then the Archbishop Macarius of Cyprus. That was the only reason why that coup wasn't complete. And so it was difficult to convince people that it wasn't an Igbo coup. But honestly, people who were involved in that process will tell you no, that the military was just trying to save Nigeria from the governors, from the premiers who were moving slightly apart. And they didn't think it was going to be good for the overall interests of this country. So what I think we need now, if we are going to be sincere, not just people taking public office and sharing money, is to just sit down, discuss the fate of this country, how we can move this country forward, and implement what we have discussed. It's one thing to discuss and arrive at some principles of discussion, and we are not able to implement it. Then it's useless wasting all the time talking about one Nigeria.